Did you know that the bottleneck in enterprise AI has shifted from simply accessing models to actual deployment? That's right. As of July 2nd, 2026, businesses are embedding engineering teams directly into their environments to streamline this process. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and what it means for businesses and engineers alike. We'll explore how the role of AI engineers is changing, the significance of investments in future technologies, and even touch on the exciting prospects of space exploration. Buckle up, because understanding these trends is crucial for anyone interested in technology's future. First up, let's talk about the rise of the AI forward-deployed engineer. According to a recent article from TechTarget on July 2nd, 2026, companies are now realizing that simply having access to AI models isn't enough. The real challenge lies in deployment. That's where forward-deployed engineers come in. These engineers are being embedded directly within customer environments. This isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. By working closely with clients, these engineers can tailor AI solutions to fit specific needs, ensuring smoother integration and faster results. This shift is revolutionary. It means businesses can now leverage AI more effectively, addressing real-time issues without the delays that come from traditional outsourcing. As enterprises continue to adopt AI, this model could redefine how we think about technical support in the future. Next, let's pivot to the exciting world of investments in technology. Micron recently made headlines with a $250 million commitment aimed at children's savings accounts, alongside a staggering $200 billion investment in U.S. chip manufacturing. This announcement, also from July 2nd, 2026, by Micron CEO Sanjay Mehrotra, highlights a larger vision: securing the future of America through technology. Why does this matter? Because investing in kids today means investing in the tech leaders of tomorrow. By fostering a generation that understands and interacts with technology from a young age, Micron is not just building a workforce, they're creating innovators. This foresight is crucial, especially in a world increasingly driven by AI and digital solutions. It's a blueprint for how corporations can contribute to societal growth while benefiting their own futures. Finally, let's take a quick detour to space. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter was designed for just 5 flights on Mars, but astoundingly completed 72. This achievement, reported on July 2nd, 2026, shows the incredible potential of engineering and technology in extreme conditions. Ingenuity's success isn't just about the helicopter itself. It signifies what's possible when we push boundaries. This technology can be applied in various fields, from advanced robotics to AI-driven exploration systems. The lessons learned from Ingenuity can inspire future innovations in AI that could eventually help us tackle challenges here on Earth and beyond. So, what can we take away from today's discussion? 1. The role of AI engineers is evolving, with a focus on embedding teams within companies to enhance deployment. 2. Investments in technology, like Micron's commitment to children's savings and chip manufacturing, are paving the way for a more tech-savvy future. Innovations in aerospace, as demonstrated by NASA's Ingenuity, show us that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. These insights are crucial for anyone interested in the intersection of technology and society. As we move forward, staying informed about these trends will be key to navigating the future landscape. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and drop a comment below. What do you think about the rise of forward-deployed engineers? Are you excited about investments in technology for future generations? Let's discuss.